Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to win a staring contest. Let's take off my glasses for this one. I'll tell you a few simple steps that you can use to make sure that you win the next staring contest that you're a part of. Let's get right to it. First and foremost, before you actually start the staring contest, you want to moisten up your eyes as much as possible, because as you keep your eyes open, you're going to lose some moisture, your eyes are going to get dry, and you're going to be tempted to blink, okay? Now, the object of a staring contest is to not look somewhere else and not blink. You want to stare and not blink. So what you want to do to moisten up your eyes before you begin is just literally hold them closed and move your eyes around. So I'm literally holding my eyelids closed and going like this, just moving my eyes around. And what that does is that gets a nice layer of moisture on your eyelids, on the inside of your eyelids, on the surface of your eyeball. You're basically all nice and moist, ready to go. Your eyes are nice and moist, you're good to go. Now, right as you are about to start the staring contest, when they count you in 3, 2, 1, go. At that point, you're going to open up your eyes. And you're not going to stare directly at an aspect of the person. You're kind of staring at the person that you're in the contest with, but you're staring like into space within their face. That's what you basically want to do. So make sure that you stare. That's step number 2. And don't look at anything directly. Don't look at their mouth, don't look at their eyes, their nose, their forehead, their hair, their bald head if they don't have any hair. Just look sort of at them in the general area, okay? Now, step number 3 is, as you go on looking at them, they're probably going to try and make you laugh, okay? And you don't want to laugh. That's why you're not looking at their mouth or their eyes. You're just looking at them, and you're thinking about something else. That's step number 3. You're thinking about nothing, almost. You're not thinking about them. You're not thinking about your to-do list. You're thinking about pretty much just the air around you, let's say. That's the 3rd step. The 4th step is what's going to actually make you last longer in the staring contest. So you can't blink, right? So instead of blinking, what you want to do to gain a little bit of moisture is you want to squint just a little bit every so often. Squint and open back up. Squint and open back up. That's going to send the sensation to your mind of blinking. It's going to cause some extra moisture to be released onto your eyes. So you're going to squint a little, open up. Squint, open up. And that's going to, it's going to sort of almost like simulate blinking, but you're not actually blinking. And you're going to keep doing that as needed. So you're staring, squint, open up. Squint, open up. As often as you need to do. Okay. Now, as far as I know, that's not against the rules in a staring contest. If it is against the rules, then you want to almost pretend like you're squinting and open up, even though you're not actually squinting. Think about squinting and open up, even though you're not actually doing it. You'll probably still get some additional moisture being released to your eyes. And that's basically it. That is how to win a staring contest. If you use these tips effectively, you'll be able to win pretty much every staring contest that you're in against a person. And also, another tip is, if you're trying to make them laugh, this might distract you a little bit, but it's worth it. If they're the type of person that would laugh easily, just, blah, 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 do something with your mouth that's going to cause them to laugh. And that's basically it. Use these tips to win a staring contest easily. I wish you the best of luck. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what your tips are for winning a staring contest in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.